Hey, hello, namaste. Welcome to the Gullos in the kitchen. Today now I'm making one of the craziest recipe and everybody can like this and easy to make. Now I am making an instant Rasagulla with the help of the rice, cooked rice and sugar and corn flour and all-purpose flour. Let's check the recipe how I am making. Boiled rice 150 grams, sugar 100 grams, ilachi 3 pots, all-purpose flour 2 tablespoons, corn flour 1 tablespoon. This is the correct recipe for rice rasgulla. Let's catch my recipes and follow my channel to know more my recipes. First of all, take the jar and add rice. Make a fine paste. Make it a fine paste. And one more time. Okay, this much paste is enough. Next, take the bowl, add mixed rice, grinded, add the all-purpose flour 2 tablespoons, corn flour 1 tablespoon, mix it nicely. And make a round balls. Mix it the dough like this nicely and add oil and make a round shape. Then take ghee and apply for hands for stickiness, for flavoring the milk flavor also. We are not using any milk fatty, so apply little bit of oil for flavor. And let's make a round balls. Take the plate, apply ghee, spread like this and make a round small balls. See, and keep it inside for the avoid stickiness. Make a round small balls is enough. It's looking also same like an milk rasgulla, but it's totally different recipe. The all sizes should be same size. For 150 grams of rice, I am getting totally 6 pieces of rasagulla. And it will get a nice milk flavor because of I am applying the ghee. The Rasagulla balls is ready. Now you can see the perfect round balls Rasagulla with the help of rice Rasagulla. Let's make this sugar syrup and pour into this. Cook it for 15 minutes. Pour sugar and add double the quantity of water. I am adding double the quantity. Then switch on the flame. A healthy recipe because of no adding any milk and any fat, only rice is adding. It's also boiled rice. The water is simmering. Then add the round balls. Rasagullas, and boil it for 10 to 15 minutes. Don't disturb the round balls. Add the cardamom powder. Place the deccan. Let's boil it. If you don't like to eat the milk products because for allergy, you can make the rice rasgulla like this with the help of rice, cooked rice. Finally, the rasgulla is completed. Now I am serving into the bowl. The rasgulla is very fine, and cook it for 10 to 15 minutes. It's an sponginess and nice recipe. Follow this recipe for exact measurements. Thanks for watching.